What are your constitutional rights during police misconduct? Imagine being stopped by police and feeling unsure about what protections you have. Knowing your rights can make a big difference in how you handle the situation. Every person in the United States has constitutional protections that apply if they experience police misconduct. These rights are mainly based on the Fourth Amendment, which guards against unreasonable searches and seizures, and the 14th Amendment, which guarantees due process and equal protection under the law. First, you have the right to be free from excessive force. Excessive force means using more physical violence than necessary, like hitting someone who is compliant or shooting without a clear threat. This protection applies to everyone, no matter their citizenship status, and covers all law enforcement officers, including local police, sheriffs, and federal agents. Second, you have the right against unlawful searches and seizures. Police need a valid reason, like probable cause or a warrant, to search your person, vehicle, or home. If they search or seize your property without proper legal justification, it violates your Fourth Amendment rights. Third, you have protection from unlawful detention and false arrest. Police cannot hold or arrest you without reasonable suspicion or probable cause that you have committed a crime. If they detain you longer than necessary or arrest you without evidence, your rights are being violated. Fourth, your First Amendment rights include free speech, peaceful assembly, and recording police officers while they work. Police cannot stop you from speaking your mind or retaliate against you for recording their actions, as long as you are not interfering with their duties. Fifth, if police officers see misconduct but do nothing to stop it, they may also be held accountable. Failing to intervene in cases of excessive force or other abuses can be a violation of your rights. If your rights are violated, you can take legal action under Section 1983 of the Civil Rights Act. This law allows you to sue officers or departments that deprive you of your constitutional protections while acting under government authority. However, officers may have qualified immunity, which protects them unless they clearly violate a well-established right. From a Republican point of view, these rights are essential for protecting individual freedoms while supporting law and order. Respecting law enforcement is important, but so is holding officers accountable when they go beyond their authority. When police follow constitutional limits, it builds trust and keeps our freedoms safe. If you believe your rights have been violated during police misconduct, stay calm and do not resist physically. Clearly state that you do not consent to searches if applicable. Try to document what happened, including names, badge numbers, and witnesses. Seek legal advice quickly to understand your options. Report misconduct to oversight bodies or internal affairs. Knowing and standing up for these constitutional rights helps ensure law enforcement stays within the law. It protects your freedoms and keeps our communities safe and fair for everyone.